Graded Card Investor.
What's going on, guys? It's Matt with GradedCardInvestor.com, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share my 102 card return from PSA. I'm going to share how much I paid per card and how long it took to get these things back, all right? So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. All right, guys, so here they are, 102 cards. Now, before we get into the cards, I'm going to go over a little bit about when I submitted. August 16th, 2020. I paid $9 per card for a total of $972, okay? Not bad when you guys see what the cards I get, especially considering how much I paid per card, which is dirt cheap. It's no longer this price, guys. And the turnaround times right now, it's undetermined because PSA is still suspending their services until July 1st. So you can't submit to PSA until July 1st, and who knows if they're going to change the prices and if the turnaround times are going to be better. This took around 10 months to get these cards back. Now, I did submit it under the cheapest service, the Value Modern bulk submission. So 10 months turnaround time. Still, I mean, it depends on who you ask, but not bad. I'm just going to start off with these Anthony Davis. Now, this was an experiment. I paid $20 for this Anthony Davis card. This is a second-year card. Came back a PSA 9 mint condition. I'm okay with that grade. You know, it looks gem mint to me, but it is what it is. The nice centering, top to bottom, left to right, beautiful corners, mint 9. And then all these base cards. Got a 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. So I'm probably gonna have to wait till next year to sell these if I wanna make the most money. However, I might just go ahead and list them now and get what I can get for them. So I paid $9 per card. I paid $2 per card for these. I bought them off COMC, I think, like $2 to $3. $9 per card. Total investment is around $11. So if I sell it for $20, I mean, yeah, it's not the biggest ROI, but still, it's profit. The PSA 8, not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Probably maybe put it in a lot with the other cards. So I definitely like the Prism, and I'm happy with all these PSA 10s. Probably, I don't know, I'll probably just sell these. Probably sell them all. And I don't know, maybe hold on to a couple. So there's the AD stack, got that out of the way. This isn't my best return, guys. It is, you know, I got some pretty cool cards though, so I'm happy with it. LeBron James, second year, 2004, PSA 8. These are tough to grade. Man, I would really wish that they were, you know, advancing in the playoffs, but still, you can't go wrong with LeBron James card. This is a 2005 draft picks and prospects, gold. Got a PSA 9. This is a thicker stock, so it come back in a thick case. I think a PSA 9 is a good grade for this card since it's a thicker card. Thick cards are difficult to grade, so I'm happy with that grade. The second year Bowman signature, got PSA 8. Got two of those at PSA 8. The 2005 tops, PSA 9. Mint times 2, 3, PSA 9. A PSA 8. It's a nice looking photo of LeBron James. It's a tops base card. I paid, I think it was like $10 to $15 a piece for these cards. So total investment is about $20, $25 per card. Definitely some profit. I really like the white borders and the red borders with the PSA red and white. I think these cards excel in the PSA cases because of that. Very slick looking LeBron James, you know, tops card. Base tops. PSA 9, I think it's a high grade for a base tops, especially considering it's 2006. These are very easy to damage. So getting a PSA 9, 8s, 9s, I mean, it is what it is. Let's go on and move to, I got some more LeBron James. So check these out, guys. The 2004 Fleer second year LeBron James. I think I paid $10 for this card, $19 total investment. It's come back a PSA 10. Hey guys, real quick, if you're gonna submit your cards to any grading company, you wanna use the Graded Card Investor semi-rigid grading candidate holders, all right? These are premium quality grading candidate holders. You wanna submit your cards in them. Your premium cards, Tom Brady rookie cards, Tim Duncan rookie cards, the expensive valuable ones, and the expensive valuable 90s basketball inserts. You want to submit them in these, and even get you a plastic sleeve to go over them. Fits perfectly, guys. They're Very durable, very sturdy, dust-free. You will not be disappointed, all right? So go on eBay, grading candidate holders. Appreciate all the support. Let's get back into the video. Very nice parallel. The blue, got a 9. I got 2 of those. And then the base card are the reds. I got 1 gem mint 10, 2, 3, 4 gem mint 10s, and then a bunch of 9s. I mean, but still, for what I paid for these cards. Oh, the reds, guys, I kid you not, like $2 a piece for these cards, okay? So total investment is about $11 per card. PSA 9, definitely profit made on those. 9, 9, 9, 9, 8, 3 8s. So I might sell those in a lot with some of the other LeBron James 8s, you know. A lot of 4 PSA 8 LeBron James cards. Moving on, let's do the Shaq. Check this out, guys. 1992 Topps, or NBA Hoops, Shaquille O'Neal rookie card, PSA 10. Kind of surprised on this, because I bought these all raw and ungraded off eBay, guys. Got a 9. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 9s. Let's see. 1 8, 2 8s. Oh, 2 8s. 5 9s and 1 10. So 8, 9, 10. Probably do the same thing with the Shaq. Sell them in a lot. I might even sell the 10. I'll probably hold on to 10. Since it's my 1, I might just hold. I don't know. We'll see. 1992 Topps, PSA 8. I got wrecked on these cards, but I did buy them offline for cheap on eBay. I was kind of, you know, hoping. Oh, I got a 5, PSA 5, which you can see the card stock is yellowing. Let's see, there's probably some corner wear, some edge wear on these. I mean, these base Topps cards, they're tough to grade, guys. So I mean, I'm happy with mint 9s when I get mint 9s. Even an 8, I'm okay with. And I got a 6. So, I mean, the centering looks nice on this. Looks very good, but you know, it must have been maybe some edge wear. If you can see it, it's kind of difficult to see. It's like bubbling on the edge, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Surface looks clean. It's hard to see. It's not as yellow as it looks in the camera. Yeah, I'm kind of surprised on those cards, 5 and 6, because typically when it grades the card gets that grade, it's obvious what's wrong with it. But with these, it's not obvious. Like, I'm really looking and I cannot see any noticeable or, you know, immediate flaws. So I'm not sure what's going on with those. Moving on. 2001 Topps Chrome. I paid 20 bucks for this card a while ago. Cemented it. PSA 9. Nice looking Shaq refractor. Nice and centered. Man. I just don't know why that wouldn't be a PSA 10. Like, sharp corners. Flawless edges. Surface. I mean, man, I wipe all these cards before I submit them. So there's no fingerprints. Let's see. Okay, there might be a little bit of an issue in that corner right there. See it a little bit. But the centering on the back looks nice. Centering on the front looks almost perfect. You know, I was expecting this to be a gem mint 10. Moving on. Let's do you know, Kevin Garnett. Check this out, guys. PSA 10, gem mint condition, 1995 Topps. Kevin Garnett. I was buying these for like 10 bucks. Back in middle of last year, submitted them. This got a 10. I am surprised this got a 10 though, and I'll show you guys why. You can see a little bit of so that Shaq card that had a corner ding on it, it got a 9. This one, let's see. This one has something similar on the bottom corner. You can't really see it in the photo or the camera. Yeah, see it right there? It's like a little bit of a ding. I mean, I'm just being picky, but I am surprised it's got a 10. Especially when you look at the 9s I got. So I submitted a bunch. Oh, I got a 7. Got a PSA 7, which, you know what? I got an 8. I got a 7, 8, 9, and 10. Couple 9s. But these 9s, man, I'm telling you, these were looking gem minty, especially if that one got a gem mint. I'm not sure why these didn't. They should have all got gem mint 10s. Especially, like I said, if this one got a 10. So I got 5 9s, 1 10, 1 8, and 1 7. So I'm very, surprised that I didn't get more 10s. I was expecting more 10s, but I really can't complain because these are Kevin Garnett Topps cards. They are super nice looking. Even in a PSA 7 case, they got that gold foil on the bottom. Kevin Garnett. You even got the 1995 draft pick logo, so you know it's a rookie card. Kevin Garnett, KG, and it got some hoops, guys. Check out these hoops. 1995 Kevin Garnett NBA hoops cards I submitted. Not impressed with the grades. PSA 8, that's the highest grade I got. Sick looking rookie, I guess, mark on the card. Another PSA 8. Here's the back of these cards. Very nice looking Kevin Garnett rookies. NBA hoops, guys. Guys are collecting NBA hoops, like LaMelo Ball rookie cards. Panini NBA hoops, but oh, I got 3 8s. I'm gonna see. I wonder how much the PSA 9s are going for right now. And then I got a PSA 4. Ouch. A 4. Oh, looks like there's a minor scratch on the card right there. You see it? Maybe even one right there. But dang, does that cause to get it demoted down to a 4? I think this looks like a 7, not a 4. You know what I mean? If you go on and look at PSA 4 vintage cards, they look rough, and this does not look anything rough. Look at the sharp corners. No whitening on the edges. Looks like some minor surface damage. I don't know, but it is what it is. What am I gonna do with that? A PSA 4? I don't know. Give it away probably. KG rookie cards. Let's move on. Let's do some Jeter. You know what? Let's do these. This is one of my favorite cards, guys. I submitted. This was like I don't know what I was doing with this submission. I was evidently randomly submitting cards. A 2015 Panini Select James Harden Premier Level Silver Prism PSA 10. Nice. I don't know why, but this is one of my favorite cards I got back. Maybe because I wasn't expecting a 10. Also, the first year Panini Select, I got a PSA 9 for the Westbrook. Very happy with that and surprised because these are hard to grade, guys. Very easy to scratch. And the 2009 Panini Certified James Harden Rookie. Serial number out of 99. Check this out, guys. Authentic game worn jersey. It even says it on the back. The enclosed game worn swatch is guaranteed by Panini. So when I submit or look at jersey cards to invest in, especially rookie cards, I'm looking for that authentic game worn jersey. Okay, it's just going to add to value when you go to sell it. Authentic game worn swatch on eBay. All right. Got a PSA 7 though. Just not a fan of these cases. If I submitted this to Beckett, I feel very confident it would have got it probably would have got a BGS 8.5. I mean, I just don't see why the PSA gave this a 7. It's not destroyed. There's some minor whitening going on up in the corners, but dang, man, if Beckett saw this, they would be like, no, it's definitely an 8.5. I think, okay? I might just crack this case and submit it to Beckett and see what they give it. I don't know. But I paid $9 to have it graded, so not too big of a loss there. Plus, what's the point of keeping it in a PSA 7 case? I would much rather have it in a BGS 8.5. Unless it comes back a BGS 7, then I'm just... Whoops. Moving on, some Derek Jeter. I got some Jeter 1996 Topps. Now, I'm not sure why I wanted to submit these. I think because I was on the Topps Chrome Derek Jeter hype train. I was investing in the Derek Jeter card, Topps Chrome. So I said, you know what? Let's see what these Topps get. And I thought that these were going to get high grades. But, man, look at that centering. These are nice looking cards. Got a 9, so I can't really complain. But they all look like this. 2 9s, 1 8. Looks identical to the first two. I'm not sure why this got an 8. 2 8s, 3 8s, 4 8s, and then a 7. Not sure if there's value there, but like I said, guys, I looked at these cards and I was pretty confident I was going to get at least one or two gem mint 10s, but I didn't. Moving on, Matt Ryan, Don't ask me why. I was on the Matt Ryan train for a little bit. I was buying these for dirt cheap. I maybe thought that the the Falcons were going to go far in the Super Bowl. You know, plus I think Matt Ryan is a good quarterback. He just struggles with, I guess, an offensive line. I'm not really sure what's preventing the Falcons, but like I said, I like Matt Ryan. His stats are good. Check this out, guys. A PSA 9, serial numbered out of 50, sticker autograph. All right, I think that's very cool. Love this. This is probably one of my favorite that come back, simply because it's serial numbered and it got a PSA 9. 2008 Playoff Prestige, Matt Ryan, nice looking card. Got a PSA 8, but it is serial numbered out of 100. 9 out of 100. So, you know, I'm not too torn up about the PSA 8 grade, just simply because it looks so cool in this graded case, okay? So, like I said, I'm not too torn about the PSA 8 grade because the card is so nice. If it was a 7, then I would be. Check out this, PSA 9, Matt Ryan, on card, guys, on card. Out of 150, PSA 9. I think this was a win. Huge victory. The 2008 Sage Gold out of 250, PSA 8. You know, it's a horizontal display in a vertical case. It is what it is. Got a PSA 8 for the base. The Topps Chrome PSA 9 Refractor. These are difficult to grade, so I'm happy with the 9. I got an 8 refractor as well. I got 2 8 refractors. And then I got some base Topps Chrome, PSA 9. Times 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 6, 7. And then an 8, PSA 8. PSA 9, Bowman Chrome refractor. Nice. And times 2. Nice. Ooh, we got a 10, Bowman Chrome base card. Got a 9 base. I think Matt Ryan, man. I don't know if Atlanta's going to go all the way. We'll see. I really haven't looked at his market lately or watched him. I kind of watched him a little bit last year, but like I said, guys, this at $9 per card, you know, back in August, this was an experiment. I was trying to do these once a month. I had these stacked up. I was expecting LeBron and AD to be in the playoffs, you know, advancing this year. You know, same with James Harden, so I submitted a couple of his. The KG, I had a feeling the 90s basketball cards were going to go up. The Shaq rookie, the Topps Chrome rookie, I knew these were going to be going up. The Shaq Topps rookies were going up. Matt Ryan was a gamble / kind of PC because, you know, I like him as a quarterback. Compared to a lot of the modern day quarterbacks, I think Matt Ryan, you know, stands out, but, you know, that's opinion, and we'll see. I definitely made money on those cards if I wanted to sell, but that was all an experiment. Second year LeBron James, guys, you know, pay 10, 15 bucks per card with an additional $9, $20, $25 total investment. If it comes back at 10, like I got a bunch of 10s, it's going to pay for the entire submission, and everything else is just bonuses. Plus, I got some PC cards in here as well. All right, guys, there you have it, my 102 card PSA return. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell while you're at it. That way you get notified when I upload a new video. Stay posted for more content, guys. I got a lot coming for you. I got a lot in the making. I'll see you on the next one, all right?